In humid areas, like most of Texas, most of the time, air conditioners cause condensation. A properly installed AC system will control the condensation so that it does not become a problem. Improperly installed or poorly maintained AC systems may allow condensation to form where it shouldn't, which could lead to water-damaged ceilings and/or the development of biological growth. In Texas, home inspectors are not allowed to use the M word unless they are also a licensed mold assessor. Condensation is a natural byproduct of cooling warm, humid air, and several parts of an AC system can cause it or let it get out of control. This video shows some common problems and a few not so common problems. In short, flexible ducts should be installed as straight as possible with no sags or sharp bends or kinks, and they should not touch. The moisture barrier, the outer skin of the ducts, and the insulation around the ducts should not be damaged. When the moisture barrier begins to deteriorate, the duct should be replaced. Naturally occurring condensate should be controlled, and when it begins to back up and overflow, and it will, the overflow needs to be controlled with a secondary drain system or a safety float cutoff switch. In vertical units, it can pass through the furnace on its way to the drain pan and damage the furnace. Oh, and those drain pans can rust through.